Now welcome back. Chop the one way you sabi. You understand? Stick to what you know. All right. So back to our topic on ground about the issue of giving. Before we go on that break, we don't establish the what to give. I'll talk about time. We'll talk about money. We'll talk about counsel. We'll talk about attention. We'll talk about prayer. So now Mokai just enter now into what to give and probably where to give. Okay, because we don't establish what to give. So more do where to give or what to give into.
Yes. More wrap up from the first one.
Okay.
There are so many things.
Yeah.
So many things where you suppose give.
Okay.
Some people, if you are so blessed, nothing where you know if you give. So that people will not mistake say, so does that mean say I don't feel give person house? Does that mean say I don't feel give person motor? You can give all of those things. It's really very important. You can give gifts. So whatever you have that can meet the need of another person and you have the opportunity to give that thing, go ahead and give it. It can be a house, it can be a car, it can be a job, it can be a business, it can be anything. So those are things that you can still give. In addition to all the things where we don't talk before, Now, where can I actually give these things? Now, every time where they talk about giving, it's simply the best way to know where you feel give and be say, identify where something is needed. First of all, identify who need help. Identify what is needed. So what determines what you give eventually, now make you just try to know who be this person, wetin this person need, who be this organization, wetin be this organization need, who be this country, wetin they need. So you just find out, say, needs in the life of so many people, it differs. Some people, they will tell you, they go come meet you, say, I need your help. And they will tell, if you tell them, okay, don't worry, I'll send you some money, you say, Oga, not be money I want to. If you help me get job where I feel they do, I will prefer them. Because say, if you are trying to give him fish, but it will never end up knowing how to fish. So it's better if you teach me to fish than to give me fish all the time. So that's a wise person who will tell you, give me job where I feel they do. Somebody came to my house one time and he say, oh God, I need help. We come to talk, say, how have you help you? Say, even if they come, make I sweep compound, make I wash car, make I do, so anything where you get, you will just give me. That's somebody where they're responsible. Some people, they are reckless when they want to take help from you. If you ask them, they just say, if you give them money like this, then go run. Go finish them, squander them. Go meet another person. They go tell you lie, lie to you and everything. So the best way to know what to give into, where to give and what to give into, is to be sensitive to your environment. Identify people or things that needs, something.
You talked something just now about identifying the need of somebody, but sometimes too, some people this is another side of this same thing where they talk. Some people they don't really need that thing. For example, now I don't know certain places then where they will tell you, say, okay, look, you want to succeed financially, give into the life of one man, we get money, we he no need your money, but so sit inside the person life, and you go
come find out.
Yes, you
something
can't happen for your own head. So now another level of the same.
Yes, it's another level of the same thing. Now, people where they in need. Are the first category of people where you feel give something to. So you need to first of all identify, say this person need this thing. Now, like we talk about at the beginning of the show, if it be school fees, if it be food, if it be anything at all, with the person, and depending on what you get, you go feel give the person. Sometimes for some area, I know my friend where they give community support. Pothole day road, he can't say every month by yourself. He make up in mind with 2 other friends wey he meet for the area.
Yeah.
He said every month we go dey buy stone and cement worth so amount of money, and we go dey put am by ourselves, then go mix am and then employ or get 1 or 2 boys and they go carry am, they move am. They go mix am for that side, put am for that pothole, put am for that pothole, put am for that pothole. Recently we dey talk, they tell me say they don spend plenty money this time, or say rain plenty this time, and because the drainages they don block, water too dey wash those things away, and they go do am again. They go do am again. That is community support. You are giving your time, you are giving your energy, you are giving your money, you are, in fact, you are giving yourself. So self is another thing you give. You can give yourself. Like our Lord Jesus Christ now, now self in give now. And when he can't give himself, all the other things where we need, we can't get them. We get attention, we get time, we get money, we get everything.
Just the arrange.
You know? Yes, but I mean, because except say you want declare, say you be Jesus.
No.
If you want,
I cannot come and die for the world.
For the world, say you understand. Because in fact, that death was done once and for all anyway.
Yes. So do again.
So people, they give community support.
Yes.
People, they give encouragement. I get another set of friends for where I grew up.
Yes.
Every summer holiday, then they organize summer school for children for free. They go make out their own time, and then go make sure say they get English teacher, they get mathematics teacher, biology teacher, economics teacher from JS1 to JS3, and then go dedicate time for them to teach them, so that they no go just waste like 2.5 months or 3 months of the summer holiday. So then they do summer coaching. That's another way to give. So if you are looking for a good way to give back out of what God has blessed you with, there are so many opportunities. Just look around you and identify so many of these things. It's plenty. Sometimes you go, if you wonder, and you think say you know see, go General Hospital. You go see people who need small money to buy drugs. You go see small, I mean, when one buy just one drip, one water, make them pump for that person body.
Soap self.
And you think just say, okay, buy 500 water for this ward. Everybody will need them, make them they give them. That's another good way to give. And then the other one where you come mention, you don't necessarily have to give again to only people where they in need. There are people safe. That one a kingdom principle. If you don't believe it not go work for you.
So all right. If you leave us now, we don't enter into another level, another realm of the whole thing. You know, but very, very importantly, we don't establish wetin you fit give, and then where you go fit give these things. We mention money, we mention time, we mention counsel, we mention prayers, we mention attention, and also
mention self.
We mention self. Yes, that's
you
self.
You can even give energy self.
But by the time you give self, every other thing. You go just set. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to talk more about the spirit of giving, but we'll leave it for another day. No, not to enter into too much spiritual gist. Before they say we don't open church for the late night show.
So now the thing be say, everybody will listen to this one. We watch this program today. Make it they remember. If you put yourself for the position where be saying now get. You can only make a living. But if you develop that principle and you believe in it, to the give, you will make a life.
And the making a living owner temporary.
Yes,
the making a life owner
permanent. You will never lack.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for all the plenty wisdom.
Thank God.
All right, guys, as it be like this now, for you, we'll come out more inside the whole show for today. I know say plenty of this thing. So far, don't they bless many people, and so many people see they carry sense on top of the whole thing. Thank you very much. Say all of now watch the show this night. So for myself and all of us for here, go say good night to everybody. I beg you, jam us on top Twitter. Let us know the things they want to learn. You understand? Okay? On top Twitter at W Late Night Show on top Twitter, and then how do Facebook again?
Which one?
Your Facebook page. How they fit they reach you?
Just anytime when you want to reach me for Facebook, just search Dapo Banjo.
They will feel reach you.
You go see everything.
Okay. So that for those of you now we still get more and more things to even tell them to say, okay, see, this thing they touch me like this, and I get this question. If you just go Facebook, just Dapo Banjo, find you go see in fine face for there. Different of you come out, but you all look for a face. You all know say now our bros 9 there. Thank you very much, sir. One more time.
Thank God.
Easy Beach, myself, and our guests. We say good night to everybody, and God bless you. Now see you tomorrow. Bless you. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.